Upbeat music plays. The camera focuses on the Shark S7001 mop and Neugo steam mop side by side. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you save time, money, and your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of floor cleaning. We're putting the Shark S7001 against the Neugo steam mop. Will the Shark leave you swimming in cleanliness, or will the Neugo steam its way to victory? Let's find out. First, let's talk about price. The Shark S7001 is often praised for being easy to use and effective, especially for pet owners who need a quick cleanup. Many reviewers mention that it requires no chemicals, making it a cost-effective option if you already own it. However, the Neugo steam mop is priced at $119, with many users appreciating its versatility and ease of use. They say it heats up quickly and offers a lightweight design, making it a great investment for those looking for a reliable mop. Next, let's get into cleaning power. The Neugo steam mop, with its impressive 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam, is noted by users for effectively tackling tough grime and sanitizing floors. Reviewers are thrilled with its ability to penetrate dirt and leave floors spotless. On the other hand, while the Shark S7001 does a commendable job, users have mentioned that it's not as powerful in terms of steam temperature, though it still cleans effectively and is easy to handle, especially for quick cleanups. When it comes to versatility, the Neugo takes the lead with its 10 accessories, allowing users to clean various surfaces beyond just floors. Reviewers love how it can be used on windows and even for car cleaning. Meanwhile, the Shark S7001, while effective, is seen as more limited in its applications, with users indicating it's best for straightforward floor cleaning without additional attachments. Let's discuss ease of use. The Neugo features an adjustable height, making it more comfortable for different users. Reviewers appreciate not having to bend down, which can be a back saver. Conversely, the Shark S7001 has a more traditional handle that some users find less ergonomic, leading to discomfort during longer cleaning sessions. While it is easy to maneuver, it doesn't offer the same level of comfort as the Neugo. Finally, the cord length is a big factor. The Neugo boasts a generous 23-foot cord, giving users the freedom to move around without constantly unplugging. Reviewers love this feature, as it allows them to clean larger areas seamlessly. In contrast, the Shark S7001 has a shorter cord, which can be a hassle as users often have to switch outlets frequently during cleaning sessions. In summary, both mops have their strengths and weaknesses. The Shark S7001 is highly recommended for ease of use and effectiveness, especially among pet owners. However, the Neugo steam mop shines with its versatility, powerful steam cleaning, and user-friendly features, making it a favorite among those looking for a more comprehensive cleaning solution. So, there you have it. The Shark S7001 might bring back fond memories, but the Neugo steam mop is ready to tackle modern cleaning challenges. If you want a clean floor without the hassle, go with Neugo. If you prefer something more nostalgic, Shark has you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description below.